I built a multifunctional envelope box with a paper trash bin. The model was created in FreeCAD. Actually, there is only one unique part in the white part and one in the blue part. With a mirrored version, an entire box can be made from 2 normal and 2 mirrored parts. Here you see the connection between the 2 boxes. And also the holes for the connectors are visible. The blue part is the paper trash bin, and the white part can be placed on top of it. Then you have an envelope box or whatever you want to put in it, like paper, money, or other stuff. Let's build the paper trash bin first. Here you see how a connector is placed inside a hole. Enjoy the build. This version has slots on the sides to remove the paper. But a blind version is also available. The connections are working well. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. Now let's build the top part with a large slot in the center. And here it is. Let's put it on top of the blue paper trash bin. Now it's complete. You can use it as a gift box, for example, or to throw in ballots, you name it. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.